There isn't quite enough for tomorrow. She didn't eat.
A single cat mom raised 5 kittens alone and never once complained.
I wish you could sleep in just once.
I don't mind at all.
What's for breakfast today?
A single cat mom raised 5 kittens alone and never once complained.
A single cat mom raised 5 kittens alone and never once complained.
Here, Mom, you should eat. Thank you, sweetie, but I already ate earlier. Are you sure? You look tired. I'm fine, really. I'll be back before it gets too late.
Their mom works harder than anyone he knows. A single ginger cat mom raised 5 kittens alone and never once complained.
A single Maine Coon cat mom raised 5 Maine Coon kittens alone and never once complained.
Race you to the gates. No running on the cobblestones.
It's gonna be a great day. Thank you for being here with me today, always. They are wonderful kittens. You've raised them well.
A single cat mom raised 5 kittens alone and never once complained.
Excuse me, could you possibly repair this quickly?
Certainly, I can do that for you right now. Brother, look! He's here.
Hi, big brother.
Hey, you two!
What's been on your mind lately? I've been thinking about Mom's exhaustion. She never complains, even when she's clearly tired.
Something should be done. We have to figure out a way to help her.
I agree. We need to ease Mom's burden.
A single cat mom raised 5 kittens alone and never once complained.
Your craftsmanship is truly lovely.
Oh, thank you. That means a lot.
That was a long day at school.
But look how nice it is outside now.
Race you to the fountain.
They should clean up before she gets back. Thank you for helping, everyone.
We like helping you, Mama. The room looks great. Stir it slowly, just like Mom showed us. Like this? It smells amazing.
A single cat mom raised 5 kittens alone and never once complained.
Welcome home, dear. Mummy's finally here. We missed you. Welcome home, Mom. We're so glad you're here. We even set the table. They wanted her to rest a little tonight. I never expected such thoughtfulness from them. I helped stir the sauce for a whole 5 minutes, Mom, and I didn't even spill it.
Oh, that's wonderful, sweetie. You did such a good job.
A single cat mom raised 5 kittens alone and never once complained.
Mom, can I ask you something about Dad?
Of course, sweetie. Sometimes life just takes unexpected turns. Having them is worth every hard day. Careful with that stack, funny kitten.
Got it, kitty girl. Almost done.
You two are doing a wonderful job.
It's our turn to take care of you today. A single cat mom raised 5 kittens alone and never once complained. Such devotion deserves recognition.
Oh, old mother cat, what a lovely surprise. Please come in, won't you?
I have heard wonderful things about your family.
Town needs someone skilled with sewing.
Oh, really? Thank you so much.
The position at the tailor shop is yours, dear. The pay will be steady and fair.
Oh, thank you, Mother Cat. This means everything to us.
You've done such a wonderful job with them, dear. Raising 5 alone is no easy reach, yet you never once complained.
This is masterful work. We'd be honored to have you join the team, effective immediately.
Oh, thank you. I gratefully accept.
I finally have steady, reliable work now. Mom, can we get that special dessert tonight?
Oh, absolutely. We've earned it.
A single cat mom raised 5 kittens alone and never once complained.
Seeing her smile more means everything to me.
Hello there. Just a little something from the shop. Oh, thank you so much. That is incredibly kind of you. The whole town admires your incredible strength.
You kids are having so much fun!
Look at me, Mom, I'm flying!
I'm proud of how strong you have always been.
Thank you, sweetie.
A single cat mom raised 5 kittens alone and never once complained.
A single cat mom raised 5 kittens alone and never once complained. This has been one of her happiest days in years.
Hey, look, the pool! Can we go swimming now?
Yay, swimming! Let's go!
Laughs. A single tabby cat mom raised 5 kittens alone and never once complained.
All right, Mom, way to go!
Oh, I haven't done this in ages.
Splash, splash! Got you, Mommy!
Oh, you got me. Take this. Again. Today has been absolutely perfect for everyone.
I love seeing Mom this happy.
It's the best.
A single Siamese cat mom raised 5 kittens alone and never once complained. True strength often goes quietly unnoticed. She smiles, glad to have helped such a deserving family.
All right, you two. Hands sparkling clean before dinner.
I set the table, Mom.
And I brought the bread.
Why don't cats play hide and seek? Because they always have a
Tale to tell.
Hush now, sleep now, the day is done. Dream sweet dreams.
I'll always help you however I can. Thank you, sweetie. That means the world to me. Our mother deserves all the happiness in the world. She really does.
I never once regretted a single sacrifice. I am grateful for my 5 wonderful children.
A single tabby cat mom raised 5 kittens alone and never once complained.
Our mother's love was never something small. A mother's silent sacrifices are often the greatest love of all.